channel Tech Lambda. So this is our PowerShell series. Here we discuss about variables and data type. So what is variable? Here we understand what is variable, why we need variable, why we use variable. So first, how to declare variable. So with the dollar sign, we declare with dollar symbol to declare our variable. Like if I write x equal to 5 and dollar y equal to 10. If you want to show it in terminal, so you just write dollar x dollar y, run it. So here this is the output of our variable 5 and 10. So now we understand why we need variable. So we understand. So imagine that this is our memory and here we declare some variable. So variable like here this variable is 5 x equal to 5 and this one is y equal to 10. So this is our memory. Variable occupies some memory. Like this one allocated 10, this one allocated 5. So memory gives some space for variable to perform our operation. So this is the basic concept of variable. So why we need variable? We understand if we perform any operation with the help of operator, with the help of variable, we perform operation. So we need some memory space. So we declare variable. So this is our numeric value variable. If you write some string type, so you write like course name, PowerShell Scripting. Okay. So if you want to also print this, so simply press dollar and write this, and you run this. So give answer like PowerShell Scripting and get another, like if you want to write any other variable, so with the help of dollar you declare course name, don't give space, right? So error. With the help of quotes you write any string, like this is tech lambda. So you easily, and if you want to run this, you run course and run this, course and run this, so it provide the answer. This is tech lambda course, so it provide tech lambda out. So if you want to check his data type, so you easily check it like dollar course dot get type. So it provide type. So it provide course type. So you see here it provide string, true and string. This is the type of our variable. If you want to check x type, so you here you type dollar x dot get type. Check x and y type. So this is our variable and data type video. So here we understand how to declare variable and how to check its type. So this is
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.